explanation
explanation
yes ដល់ពេល fresh fresh នេះគឺស្ដៅថាភាពស្រស់ដែលស្រស់ដែលល្អចាដែលនៅថ្មី fresh okay spit out spit out ហ្នឹងគឺស្ដោះអីមួយចេញឬក៏អ្នកនរគ្នានិយាយថាស្ដោះនឹងមាត់ក៏បានដែរ spit out
speed out
យ៉ាដល់ពេល speed លបឿនបើជា verb គឺបង្កើនលបឿនបើជា noun លបឿន eyes eye ហ្នឹងគឺភ្នែកទាំងសងខាង eyes ឬក៏ភ្នែកច្រើនចាភ្នែកប្រមាណគូក៏បានដែរ eyes ថែម s ទៅគឺដឹងថា plural ហើយចាប់ពី2ឡើងទៅអូខេដល់ពេលចាដល់ពេល h ហ្នឹងគឺនីមួយអូខេ h ចា hello Thirat how are you
Hello everyone.
okay hello how are you today Thirat
Not bad ចា
okay not bad good okay ខ្ញុំអានពាក្យឡើងវិញហើយបកប្រែខ្លះៗបន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអានអូខេឥឡូវដល់ពាក្យ nice ហ្នឹងគឺល្អ yeah nice ល្អដល់ពេលអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដូចថាចង់បង្ហាញពីអ្នកនរគ្នាថារីករាយដែលបានស្គាល់ណាគេម្នាក់អញ្ចឹង nice to meet you ឬក៏អ្នកនរគ្នានិយាយថា I'm happy to meet you ក៏បានដែរនិយាយថា happy ក៏បានដែរ happy to meet you យ៉ាឬក៏ថាខ្ញុំសប្បាយរីករាយ I am happy to meet you យ៉ាងក៏បានដែរយ៉ាដល់ពេលអ្នកនរគ្នាអាចនិយាយថា nice to meet you ចារីករាយណាស់ដែលបានជួបអ្នក sick ជាគុណនាមឈឺឬក៏ប្រើពាក្យមួយទៀត ill យ៉ា ill ក៏បានដែរ ill ក៏ឈឺដែរ yes a sweet sweet ហ្នឹងគឺជាគុណនាមដែលផ្អែមបើជា noun អាចប្រភេទថាបង្អែមក៏បានដែរ sweet អូខេដល់ពេលតាក់ទងជាមួយពាក្យ sick អ្នកនរគ្នាអាចបំលែងវាទៅជា noun អ្នកនរគ្នាអាចថា sickness ហ្នឹងការមិនទៅជាការឈឺឬក៏យើងហៅថាជំងឺ sickness ដល់ពេល illness ដល់ពេល illness អូខេ
Sickness illness
eat ញ៉ាំ digest ហ្នឹងក៏បានដែរ digest but that most of the time we use it ចាប៉ុន្តែគ្រប់ពេលវេលាជាក៏ភាគច្រើនគឺប្រើ it អូខេ grow ហ្នឹងគឺធំធាត់លូតលាស់មិនថាប្រើទៅលើមនុស្សទេក៏បានរុក្ខជាតិក៏បានសត្វក៏បានប្រើលើចំនួនកិច្ចការងារអីលូតលាស់ក៏ grow ក៏បានដែរអូខេនិយាយទៅប្រើបានសឹងទាំងអស់ហើយយ៉ាទាំងមនុស្សសត្វរុក្ខជាតិក៏ការងារចម្រុងចម្រើនអញ្ចឹងគេហៅ grow ហើយអូខេ
grow
yeah fast ហ្នឹងគឺលឿនដើរតួជា adjective មានតួនាទីបញ្ជាក់ន័យឲ្យនាមឧទាហរណ៍ fast food អូខេដល់ពេលដើរតួជា adverb មានន័យថាវា modify វាបញ្ជាក់ន័យឲ្យកិរិយាសព្ទ for example I run fast ខ្ញុំរត់លឿនអីចឹងទៅអូខេ learn ហើយ study the same ដូចគ្នារៀនឬក៏សិក្សា also ហ្នឹងគឺផងដែរអូខេ also ផងដែរអញ្ចឹង also ជាទូទៅគេប្រើ verb I also watch cartoon ខ្ញុំក៏មើលតុក្កតាដែរ I also watch cartoon អូខេ speed ហ្នឹងជា noun ណាជានាមប្រភេទថាមាត់ speed ទឹកមាត់ឬក៏ពាក្យមួយទៀតគឺទឹកមាត់ដែរគេហៅថា saliva ហ្នឹងទឹកមាត់ដែរទឹកមាត់ហ្នឹង saliva នេះបានទឹកមាត់ទាំងពីរហ្នឹងទឹកមាត់សត្វក៏បានមនុស្សក៏បាននិយាយទៅបានទាំងអស់ spit and saliva ហ្នឹងអូខេចឹងនេះក៏អត់ក្រុមគឺអត់អីសំខាន់ទេក្រុមគ្រាន់តែបង្ហាញពីនៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសអ្នកនរគ្នានិយាយ1 2 3នឹងនិយាយពីចំនួន number ប៉ុន្តែបើអ្នកនរគ្នានិយាយពី order លេខរៀងវិញគឺនិយាយ first second third fourth យ៉ាងទៅអូខេ fifth sixth យ៉ាលេខរៀងទី6លេខរៀងទី7ទី8យ៉ាងទៅ Okay everyone you got it អ្នកនរគ្នាតាមតាន់ចំណុចហ្នឹង Yes so I need someone to read it I think that I would like to hear from Pisay first
yeah
Pisay Okay now Pisay read all these words Pisay អានពាក្យទាំងអស់ហ្នឹង and then I will call one by one to read ចាអ្នកនរគ្នានឹងត្រូវអានម្ដងម្នាក់ដូចគ្នា Okay
yeah
Yes Okay now Pisay start
importance
yeah
belief
yeah yeah
thought,
Yeah.
test,
Yeah.
rock,
Frog.
plan,
Frog.
Okay, explain.
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 explain,
Yeah, explain. Good.
Explanation.
explain,
Explanation.
explanation. First,
Fresh.
first,
Okay, we
Fresh.
say fresh.
fresh,
Okay.
Fresh.
speed out,
Good.
speed,
Speed.
Yeah.
ice, eat,
I.
H.
night,
Not it. H.
H,
Yeah. Good.
night,
Yeah.
nice to meet you,
Okay.
sick,
Sick.
Yeah.
ill,
Sweet.
sweet, sickness,
Sickness.
illness,
Illness.
eat,
Yeah.
Digest.
digest,
Digest.
digest,
Grow.
Okay.
grow,
Okay.
Fast.
fast,
Hmm?
fast food,
Fast food.
I run
I run
fast,
fast.
Yes.
Learn.
learn,
Study.
Okay.
study,
Alcohol.
also,
Speed.
speed, saliva,
Saliva.
Saliva.
saliva,
Yes.
first,
Second.
Second.
second,
Okay. Third.
Third.
third,
Yeah. Fourth.
Fourth.
fourth, fifth,
Fifth.
sixth,
Sixth.
Okay.
seventh,
Seven.
eighth,
Eight.
nine,
9. 10.
10,
11.
11, 12,
12.
13, 14.
Okay. Thank you so much. We say you are you have done really great. Chat with Ban Law. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. So now I would like to hear from Supani.
Yes, sir.
Important.
Yeah. Good. So please start. 1, 2, 3.
Important. Importance.
Yeah.
Short thôi sir.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. Start away. Importance. Okay.
Yes. Believe.
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 Okay.
Thought.
Thought. Taste.
Test.
Good.
Frog.
Yeah.
Explain.
Explain.
Yeah.
Explanation.
Yeah. Good.
Explanation.
Freeze. Fresh.
Okay. Fresh.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Speed out. Speed.
My-
Eyes. Each.
Eat.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Sick.
Sick.
Ear.
Ill.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Sickness.
Sickness. Illness.
Illness.
Eat.
Eat.
Digest.
Digest.
Grow.
Grow.
First.
Fast.
Fast food.
Fast food. I run fast. Learn.
Learn.
Yes.
Study.
Study.
Yeah.
Also.
Speed.
Speed.
Saliva.
Yeah.
Saliva.
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 Yeah.
First.
Second.
Second. Second.
Third.
Third. Fourth. Fifth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh.
7.
8,
8. 9.
9,
10. 11.
10, 11, 12,
13.
13,
14.
14.
Okay. Thank you so much, Supani. You have done a really great job. Okay. And I would like to hear from Chantha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hello, Chantha. Okay. Now please start.
Important,
Yes.
important, believe, believe, thought, test, frog, explain, explanation, fresh, speed out, speed, eyes, each, nice, nice to meet you, sick,
Sick.
ill,
Ill.
sweet, sickness,
Nice.
illness,
Yes.
eat,
Eat.
digest,
Digest.
Good.
Grow.
growth,
Yes.
fast,
Fast.
fast food, I run fast,
fast food,
learn,
learn,
study, also, speed, saliva,
first,
first,
second,
second,
third,
third, fourth,
fifth,
fifth,
sixth,
sixth, seventh,
eighth,
eighth,
ninth,
ninth,
10th,
tenth,
11th,
11th,
12th,
12th,
13th,
13th,
14th.
14th.
Okay, thank you so much, Janta. You have done a good
Pleasure.
job, ចាធ្វើបានល្អមែនទែន Okay, now I would like to hear from Thirat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Thirat. Okay, it's your turn.
Yes.
Yeah, Rain Thirat ម្ដង Okay, 1 2 3.
Important, importance,
Okay.
belief,
Believe.
believe,
Yeah.
belief,
Believe.
belief,
Okay.
hope,
Yeah.
ha,
Taste.
strong,
Frog.
strong, strong,
Okay. Again. Not frog. Frog. Yeah, frog.
strong.
Thirat.
It's
Okay,
pan.
please. Thirat. Lineនេះស្ដាប់ថ្មី Okay,អានខ្ញុំស្ដាប់សាមវិញ
Strong, sir.
Frog. So for ជាងរ frog. Yeah, frog.
Frog.
Yeah.
Frog, sir. Frog.
Yeah, good.
Cái mà nó frog.
Yeah.
Frog.
Okay. Frog.
It's pan.
Rồi.
It's pan.
Explain.
It's pan. It's a
Yeah.
pan. It's a pan. Map.
Explanation.
It's a plan. It's a plan.
Explanation.
Explanation.
Yeah, good.
Fresh.
Not fresh.
Fresh.
Yeah.
Speed. Out. Speed out. Sleep.
Okay, speed.
Speed.
Yeah, good.
My.
Yes,
Nice to meet you.
good.
Sick.
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 Okay, again. Sick.
Sick. Ill.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sick. Nah.
Okay,
Illness.
good.
Eat,
Eat.
It.
Eat. Okay.
It. Digest.
Digest. Okay,
Digest.
Good.
Grow.
Hmm?
West.
Fast.
Wah.
Okay.
Fast food.
Okay.
Iron fast.
I run fast.
Iron fast.
Okay.
Learn. Study. Also. Speed. Saliva.
Saliva. Yeah.
Saliva. West.
First.
Second.
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 Yeah.
Second. Third.
Okay.
Four.
Yeah.
Fifth.
Good.
six,
Six.
Yeah.
7. 8.
8,
9. 10. 11.
12,
12.
13,
13.
14.
14.
Okay, thank you so much, Thirat. Good job.
Yes,
One
yes,
off.
sir.
Okay, now I would like to
Bye.
hear from Sister Kim Lei. Hello.
Yeah, teacher, yes.
Yes. Okay. So now I count for you. 1 2 3.
Important.
Yes.
Important.
Yeah. Yang just importance.
Importance.
Yeah. Believe.
Belief.
Okay, good.
Food.
Thought. Not food. Thought.
Thought.
Yes.
Thought.
Taste.
S. Crop.
Okay.
Explain.
Yes.
Explanation.
Good.
Explanation.
Fresh.
Press. Speed
Speed out.
out.
Good.
Speed out or stop near speed out. Speed.
Yeah.
Eyes.
Okay.
H.
Yes.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Six.
Okay.
Ear.
Good.
Sweet.
Yes.
Sickness.
sweet,
Okay.
Illness. Eat. Digest. Grow. Wash.
Fast food.
Fast food.
Foods.
I run fast.
I run fast.
Yeah.
Learn.
Good.
Also. Eat.